Welcome to our presentation on transforming standard operating procedures with video-based training. Today, we'll explore how video can revolutionize SOPs by reducing errors, boosting compliance, and enhancing employee engagement. Let's start with the challenges of traditional SOPs. Text-based SOPs often fall short because they rely heavily on technical jargon and dense documentation. Employees from diverse literacy levels or language backgrounds may struggle to interpret them, leading to errors and inefficiencies. Additionally, lengthy documents can overwhelm employees, especially in high-pressure situations. Static formats further fail to adapt to individual learning styles, leaving room for misinterpretation. Now imagine a training method that eliminates ambiguity, engages employees, and ensures consistency. Video-based SOPs achieve just that. By visually demonstrating each step, video SOPs make even the most complex procedures clear and actionable. Studies show that people remember up to 80% of what they see, compared to just 20% of what they read. This combination of visual and auditory learning significantly improves retention. Real-world examples demonstrate the power of video SOPs. A pharmaceutical company reduced compliance errors by 40% within 6 months by transitioning to video-based training. An automotive manufacturer saw a 30% drop in assembly line errors thanks to step-by-step video modules. In the food industry, safety incidents fell by 50% when employees were trained with engaging visual SOPs. These cases prove that video can drive tangible results across diverse industries. Implementing video SOPs starts with careful planning. Identify the procedures that are most critical or error-prone. Break these down into short, focused micro-learning modules, each covering a single step or task. This approach avoids cognitive overload and keeps employees engaged. Use subtitles and translations to accommodate diverse teams, and include visual safety cues to reinforce key protocols. Once your videos are created, integrate them into your training programs. Use them during onboarding to familiarize new hires quickly. Incorporate them into refresher courses and cross-training initiatives to keep experienced employees updated. Host your videos on a learning management system to ensure accessibility, allowing employees to review content on demand, right when they need it most. Looking ahead, emerging technologies like augmented reality, virtual reality, and artificial intelligence can complement video-based SOPs. Imagine AR headsets overlaying instructions directly onto equipment, or AI-driven platforms personalizing training for each employee. These tools will take learning to the next level, making it more interactive, immersive, and tailored to individual needs. To wrap up, video-based SOPs are more than just a training method. They're a strategic investment in operational excellence. By reducing misinterpretation, improving compliance, and enhancing employee engagement, they transform how procedures are understood and executed. Ready to bring this innovation to your team? Contact us today to start your journey towards smarter, safer, and more effective training.